Okay, we're rolling. Okay,
Hola.
we are here in Cozumel, Mexico, and this is Johnny. I'd like to introduce him to you. He's going to give us some wonderful information about where we are, what's happening. So I've had a wonderful time. This is the guy here that got me snorkeling, okay? So he's going to take it from here. There you go.
My name is Johnny. This is my place. You see the water that looks nice for the snorkeling and very clear. See, we have the restaurant here too. We have a lot of people like the Mexican food. See? We have the location too, with the picture, with the bracelets. See?
So what specifically, what do you do here? How did you get out here? What made you come to this point?
I'm the photographer.
Photographer? I'm a photographer. Okay, we got something in common here. Okay.
If somebody get a picture in the water, we can take a picture. See, we have, if you get like a big session for the picture, we can make it too, around maybe like a 50 or 100 picture in the water.
You hooked me up, and the underwater pictures of me snorkeling is fantastic. I'm so thankful for it.
It looks nice because today that's a very clear with the water. You see a lot of fishes. We have the shallow area and the deep area too. With the deep area, that's around like a 20 feet deep. In the shallow one, that's like a 5 or 6 feet deep there. We have the Fan Garner over there. We have a lot of fishes too. Okay.
And so this is called the Sky Reef?
Yeah, this is Sky Reef. This is the name of this place, that's a Sky Reef.
Yes. Well, yeah.
That's a beautiful place. This is the best place in Cozumel where they make snorkeling.
Yes, definitely. Okay then, so I so appreciate it. Let me tell you something, the guacamole, the fajitas, the food, the relaxed atmosphere, the welcomeness. I like you, Johnny.
Yeah, that looks nice. Guacamole, that's a good. Now you can go with tequila, that's better too.
Yes, we're going to do that.
That's organic tequila, so it looks nice.
Okay, so we're going to end this now because Johnny's going to take me back out on the reef in a little bit and do a little more snorkeling.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
And look, Johnny, you're going to be my contact when I come back to Mexico.
Thank you.
Peace.